We are going to show you the easiest way to remove background of any image. Go to remove.bg. Or you can also write remove.bg in the Google search and click the first result, that is www.remove.bg. From here upload any image to remove its background. Here select the image and click Open. The software is processing to remove the background. This is our image with no background. You can download it from here in good quality and use change background of image as you like. Let's try this with another image. Upload the image and the software will remove its background neatly. Let's download both and see the end results. Download both and check end result. That's the result. And see you in the next video.